Hey guys, welcome back to the Buying Orlando channel. We've talked before about submarkets in the Orlando area. Today we're in a submarket. Tell us a little about it.
Yeah, well, you can see the beautiful view behind us. We're in my house that I've been in for 24 years in Clermont. Clermont is a hidden gem just about 20 miles due west of downtown Orlando. And it's a little piece of what a lot of times we refer to as like the Midwest, because it's rolling hills, 16 lakes connected by canals, and we have now a really booming downtown area that was an early 1900s town that lay dormant for a long time. Now we're getting tons of restaurants. We have 3 microbreweries. But yeah, Blake and I can tell you the boating is fabulous. It's just great just to be on the water, but it's nice. We're, I think, the only chain of lakes that I know of that has access to multiple restaurants, which makes for a great day. Lifestyle's amazing. The topography is beautiful. Good access to Orlando, and it's a booming area. You have the villages just about 40 minutes to the north of us, and we're just tens of thousand homes are projected to be built around this area. If you are a lake person, definitely the values are going to go up. As a lot of people in real estate business tell me, they don't make any more waterfront. Yeah, you can get a beautiful home for a pretty reasonable price currently, but the prices are going up quickly. We're running out of, there are some vacant lots, but not many of them left. So Clermont, I've been here 24 years, one of my favorite places in the world still. And if you're interested, give us a call. We can put you in touch and show you some of the options up here.
We love Clermont, my family. We're always here at this house along the lake. But we live in Winter Garden, which is just about 10 miles due west of Orlando. So it's in between Clermont and Orlando. And we'll do another video on that spot in the future too.
Absolutely.
So talk to you soon. Bye.
Thank you.